We need a new kitchen trash can, and this can checks all the boxes I want in a trash can. So let's open it up. And it is sleek. It's exactly what I wanted. Now I went with the matte metal finish as I think this is easier to clean. It is definitely fingerprint proof. I'm pressing everywhere, not leaving any fingerprints. And it has the easy step, opens up. And this is key to me. I want the slow close and it needs to be silent. And it is quiet. I could hear it just slightly when it closed at the end, but that is perfect. Now it also has a couple extra features. It has a lock, so if you want to keep it open, let's say you're peeling potatoes or need your trash can accessible, you can lock it open. It has a space for a scent absorber, so you can keep your trash can smelling fresh. I love that it already comes with 12 drawstring bags, and the interior bin is super solid. This is a super thick bin that could definitely be a trash can all on its own. Now I'm gonna go with one of my usual Glad bags, not the bags that came with this, as these are the bags I know and love and use forever. Stick it on in, and it's a perfect fit. Closing it up, closes beautifully. Now, two more things that are great. It has a great handle in the back if you need to move it around. But thanks to how sturdy it is, it's not gonna go anywhere as I'm rushing by to throw things in it. So I don't have to worry about it wiggling up against the wall and slamming the wall. Now it does have the brand etched in it, but it's really nice and clean. I like that. Again, you can see that it's not getting any of my fingerprints on it. Looking inside, here's that lock on the back. And this charcoal access panel is really easy to open, and you can definitely get a variety of different scent packets to put in this, different sizes. It has a lot of space. Right here, it actually has a QR code, so you can just scan and order the bags if you like the bags that come with it. And it's just a great trash can all around. So if you are looking for a fantastic trash can, I'm really thrilled with this one, and I definitely recommend it.